Welcome back to Coffee with KK. We have talked about several cosmetic things, and today I thought we can talk a little bit about skin cancers. There are several different kinds of skin cancers. Most dangerous one is melanoma, but most common one is basal cell carcinoma, which is not as aggressive, but we still have to, most of the time, surgically remove it. Typically, different skin cancers look different. The melanoma usually arises from a mole, so it looks darker. But the basal cell carcinoma can be just a red spot, or a lot of times it looks like a pearly spot. And patients feel that it's been there for a while, it's not going away. Sometimes it's a small wound that refuses to heal. They come in and say, well, I had it for 3 years and it's not healing, or 3 months it's not healing. We take a look at it, then we typically do a biopsy. First, we take a little piece, send to the lab, and if the lab says it is a skin cancer, then depending upon what type they are, typically we surgically remove it and send to the lab again to make sure it's all excised and gone, and then we let the patients know about that. But if the same skin cancer in a tighter spot, like on the face where we don't have a lot of skin to move, then we do it in 2 steps. First, we remove the skin cancer, check it in the lab, make sure it's gone. Then we usually have to slide the skin in different directions to cover the wound and put the stitches in. Everybody knows about lasers. Lasers are used for a lot of cosmetic things, but it can also be used as a surgical knife. The advantage of using laser is that there's not bleeding, because this laser stops bleeding at the same time when it's cutting the skin. The patient you will see we did surgery today, he was on blood thinners, and if you use a knife to cut the skin, there would have been a lot more bleeding. That's why we prefer to use the CO2 laser. So this is just one other thing to show our viewers that lasers can be used for multiple different things. And if there's any questions, please feel free to reach us. And thank you for watching us. And until the next time, cheers.